All right, back we go. Some more videos. Stock market is closed in 6 minutes. S&P was flat. Dow Jones plus 114 battled back. Nasdaq minus 83 battled back too. I think it was down 228. Some good runners today. Load, CLPS, uh, PBTS is moving. EH had a weird move yesterday. Bounced today. Not the best of movers, but there's some good movers today again. All right, going over some different stocks today. I've done a lot of the small caps, so I've grinded them to the ground. Try and look at some different stocks, higher price stocks. Neo, 1 billion float. Everyone knows this stock, 93 billion market cap. And they design, manufacture, sells electric vehicles. People's Republic of China, Hong Kong, United States, United Kingdom, Germany. And, basically this came about an IPO 2018. 10 plus it was, tried 10 again, it failed, and all the way down to 2020 low 143. Before January 2020, it bounced the 5. And then you can see this line right here. It got over at 5 and then bounced up to 15. And this nice little ascending triangle right here at 15. And then another one, 20. Then we gapped up. Nice dip buy over 30. And then this thing really took off November. Went as high as 55. It got really choppy, bounced back, formed a trend line. I have like a double trend line here. I have a longer term right here. This is the longer term trend line. If we really fall, this is the immediate one now. So you have one right here. Actually, you can put it right on it right now. This bounced up again near 65. And that's where we're at, 65 back in January. Then we went back down, bounced, and that's pretty much the high right now, which is 66.99 on this. Then it chops. It just chopped around now. We've had 5 bearish days. The big line on this is going to be this 55 line. If we break below 55, you're looking at 50, 45, and then down we go. Now, it looks like a trend line here. Let me take to my other chart. Here's the 50-day, which is about 53, 58. So if we break this little mini trend line right here and then below to 50, that's key right here. Watch that level. Then you could easily see 50 to 45 below. And then I'm not sure if we're going that far. That the market would have to roll over on that to get all the way down to these levels. That would be, market collapse. Or not a market collapse. This the real strong pullback correction in the market. Huge dip. So, we're not there yet. Watch 55. Watch that 50-day. We'll see if this hangs in here and bounces again, or we go further, deeper correction. Now, we've had an oversold level. It's sort of caught in between. It's coming down again. We're sort of in the middle here. So, technically, it's sort of chopping around, but this 55 is going to be big. If we go below 55, I can see the 50 level on this. Before I move up again, maybe on Neo. NKLA, everyone knows this stock. They had the CEO, I think, was it Fraud? Nikola, 144 million float, 8.73 million market cap. When was that news that came out? It was in, I'm trying to remember this. It's basically the CEO. Was he committing fraud or there was some sort of fraud? Trying to look at the news back here. Can't see it here. Well, it designs electric, battery electric, hydrogen electric vehicles, vehicle drivetrains, hydrogen fuel infrastructure. So whatever he did, he's out as the CEO. Remember that? That was the big story. Now on this, you can clearly see, actually take this line out, this 50 line, take this line out. You can see this big move up in May, really huge candle, 90, then we bounce down. Bounced a little bit, try to get up again, then we crashed down. Again, a bounce November, then we came down. So you can see the pattern. The highs are getting chopped. They're getting chopped down lower each time. And you can draw a line pretty much, I would say, to here now. See this? So the move up, and you have a trend line here. See this? Came down again, came down. Now it's forming this to this low. It keeps bouncing up and down. Is it going to go here, eventually make a huge breakup, some sort of merger, something will happen? Yeah, it's possible. Anything's possible. Right now it's in a downtrend. It's getting oversold. It could bounce. If we do this 20, where are we at here? 22. It could bounce all the way up here and test that 28. But see, each high is getting lower. So if it goes to 25 and breaks this, that would be different. That would, be a break of this trend line. So that's the big thing in this stock, this trend line at this point. Wedbush underperformed the neutral 15 to 25 target they have. So that's where we are in this stock. FUV, FUV, 26 million float, 926 million market cap. Arcimoto Fund Utility Vehicle now eligible for 1,500 California Clean Fuel Reward. That was the 16th. Develops, manufactures, sells three-wheeled electric vehicles. Its portfolio electric vehicles includes fund, utility vehicle, rapid responder, emergency security, law enforcement services. I thought three. Let me see something. I thought three-wheeled electric vehicles are like banned. Or not electric, but I remember when I was young, they had the quads, all-terrain little vehicles. You ride it in your woods and stuff. I thought the three wheels are dangerous because if you have one in front, two in the back, the turns were dangerous because they weren't bounced. That's why they came out with the four wheels. That's weird. I don't know what it looks like. Maybe it's different, but anyway, this stock bounced all the way to 8, back and forth. Look at this, July to November, back and forth move from 8 to this 5 range. Look at this. Beautiful channel. Eventually channels will be broken. Your trend was up. And then this had a big move to 20. And then down we go to 12. Nice support. And eventually we grind it up here. Ascending triangle. 16. Back and forth. All the way to 36. And now, like a lot of NASDAQ and all, it is electric vehicle space. Everything's pulling back very strong today. And last week, look at this. This is a strong pullback. And you have a trend line from the low here. You could draw this line. This is like an ultimate trend line. See this here, here. Could this fall to 18, 20-ish? It's possible. You also have a move up right here. See that bounce? That is your other level. You're reaching on your candles connection points. Let me look at the other chart on this. So you can see here, this is my stochastic straight down. That is completely bearish. RSI is really turning. So is histogram. We broke through these levels, all the 20, 30 EMAs. The 50 days right down here at 19. There's your trend line. So this comes all the way back. Maybe 18, we get a bounce. Look for that level. 18-ish, I would say around there. And this is a wash down right now. So you don't want to step in until there's a buy signal. You're oversold, you're going straight down. Wait for at least under 20 till you're oversold. That's how you play these. Then, whoever's up top here, you're going to have to wait because you bought at the high. You don't want to ever buy at the high. Yeah, how do you know it's a high? You don't, but when you've come from 6 and then, 12, then look where we're at. We came from 6 to 36. You don't want to buy at 36. Any dip you want to buy, like here, maybe here, here. You don't want to buy up here, that's for sure. So this is coming down more. We'll see what happens in the overall market. Conflicting signals right now. We're getting very, very high up. So we'll see what happens here. All right, that's it on FUV. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank98. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank98. I can't remember what I'm saying. All right, that's it. That is it for this video.